Hi, everybody. It's Lynn. I came in today to show you some things I made with the May 2023 Bargain Bead Box. Um, First off, I did have an idea for these appetite chips, but they're so small I couldn't make what I wanted to make. So I'll have to get some chips of another kind and make those. But what I did was on the middle row, it's the appetite nugget beads and the little chip beads. I made a whole row of that kind. And then on the other two, I took the other chips that were left over and just divided them and made a 3-row bracelet with a full appetite in the middle and then the chain finish in the other two. So that's what I did with those. They were too small to do what I really wanted to do, but we did it that way. And then with the gray agate, I put them with the English cut crystals and some of the lantern cut crystals. And I pulled some bead caps from my stash in silver. Guys, these gray beads just needed to be with silver for me. So I went ahead and made this necklace using those beads, all very, very neutral. And then I thought we'd make a quick pair of earrings. So I saved 2 of the crystals and 2 of the agate beads to make a pair of earrings. And we're just going to do some wire wrapping and make these earrings real quick. But what I am going to do is wire wrap both my agate beads first. So I've put them on a head pin with bead caps. So we're just going to do a wrap loop here. Okay. Let's do that one and then take this one, do the same thing. Okay, grab my pliers. I'm holding onto the loop. I grab my other pliers and wrap. Okay. Whoop, gotta straighten up my pin there. Cut off our excess and make sure we tuck any tail left. Okay, there's our first bead. Wrap our second. Tuck that tail so we don't get scratched. Okay. And then I'm going to take the head pin and open it. Not the head pin, the eye pin. Open it and put one of these beads on. Close it back down. Put my English cut crystal on. And here I'm just going to do a simple loop. So I'm going to kink that wire right at the bead. Cut the excess. Take my round nose pliers and roll. Get them flush with your mandrels and roll. Just like that. Okay. Do the same thing again. Put the bead on our pin, our eye pin. Close it. Put our crystal on. Kink it right at the bead. Cut off our excess. And roll. Okay, then I'm going to take my earring finding, open it. Oops, I don't think I got it open enough. Put our little earring on and close it. That is tight, y'all. Can't really see what I'm doing. Okay, whoops. Nope, didn't get it closed. My goodness. The hole on these earrings is so small. I almost can't get in there. Okay, there we go. And then we have an earring that matches our necklace. So I'll be honest, guys, the only thing I have left out of this box, bead wise, is these crystal barrel beads and these AB coated cylinder beads. And then, of course, all the findings, which I love those findings, and we will do something with them for sure because I love copper, but I didn't love the copper with the gray. I tried it. I put together a piece, but I took it apart because I just didn't care for it with the copper. Okay, and there's our other earring. So that's going to be pretty much it for the May 2023 Bargain Bead Box. It was a little metal heavy, but that's okay because the findings that we got are awesome. I love every one of them. And we'll come back and figure out more stuff to do with those findings and these gorgeous barrel beads or lantern beads. I absolutely love them. I still think they're the prettiest thing in the box. So, all right, you guys. Well, I hope you have a great day, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.